are going to learn about our Earth. We all know our Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is where we are living. Earth is the only planet where life is possible. Do you know our Earth have one gas, methane? It traps heat of sun in our atmosphere. We people need little much hot atmosphere to live. 70% of Earth's surface is covered in water. We people can go in space and can travel anywhere easily. We have invented many things to make our life more comfortable and easily to live. Do you know our Earth have one natural satellite moon? Our Earth take 4.54 million years to become a planet. Our Earth is a rocky planet. Before being a planet, it is an asteroid. In our Earth, there is 0.7% carbon dioxide. Factories and industries use fuels and more gases in large quantity, which makes smoke. This smoke mixed in air and become very harmful for us. Vehicles such as cars, bus, auto rickshaw, etc. These vehicles also make smoke. This is called air pollution. We all know that Venus have 96.5% carbon dioxide. But in our Earth, there is only 0.7 carbon dioxide. But then also we are struggling global warming. So we must use smoking vehicles as less as we can. Because of this air pollution, the water get polluted. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxides. This forms a weak acid. When particles like sulfur dioxide get high into the air, they can combine with rain to produce acid rains. This acid go into lake and kill fishes and other animals. And some people who are poor uses water for drinking, for cooking or for use at home, which makes harmful for health.